Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set a minimum order amount in Shopify. This is incredibly useful if you want to ensure customers meet a certain purchase threshold before they can complete their order, helping you manage inventory and maintain profitable sales. First, you'll need to go to shopify.com and log in to your account. Make sure you're using the account credentials associated with your store. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Shopify homepage where you can manage all aspects of your store. Now, on the left side of your screen, look for the section labeled Apps. Click on Add under Apps to access more functionality for your store. This is where you'll find various tools and extensions that can enhance your store's capabilities. Next, click on Shopify App Store. This opens up a marketplace filled with applications designed specifically for Shopify stores, offering everything from marketing tools to inventory management solutions. In the search bar, type up quantity break order limits and click on it when it appears in the results. This particular app is designed to help you set purchase limits and minimum order requirements for your products. Once you've found the app, click Install. This action will direct you to another tab where the app requests access to some of your personal and store data. This is a standard security measure to ensure the app can function properly with your store. Go ahead and click Install again to confirm. Now, you'll need to wait until the app is fully installed. Sometimes this process takes a bit of time depending on your connection and the app size, so be patient while it completes. Once the installation is done, you'll see an option to activate the app. Click Activate to enable its features on your store. You'll then need to enable it on your theme. Make sure you select the correct theme. If you're using multiple ones, then click Save to apply these changes. After saving, refresh the website to ensure all changes take effect. You should now see the app fully integrated into your Shopify dashboard under Up Quantity Breaks. Click Limit Purchase. This section is where you'll configure the actual purchase limits for your products. Click Add Product that has limit, then click Browse to select which products should have minimum order requirements. Select the product you want to apply limits to from your inventory and click Add. This brings the product into the app settings where you can customize its purchase rules. Now comes the important part. Input a minimum limit purchase and maximum limit purchase based on your business needs. For example, if you want customers to buy at least 5 units, you'd enter 5 as the minimum. If you want, you can check the box that says Set Minimum as default quantity in Product page. This automatically sets the minimum quantity in the product's shopping interface, making it clear to customers from the start. Finally, click Save to apply all your settings. Your minimum order amount is now active, and customers will need to meet these requirements before completing their purchase. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.